Hello traders, my name is Rolan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy, and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
Hello everybody, let's start. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for choosing my video again. Believe me guys, I'm not gonna disappoint you. So, and by the end of this video, you're gonna see a lot of money on my balance for now. Later on if you will repeat after me, right? We're gonna multiply this amount, 500 positions. Now on a 1 minute time frame, open positions for all the money, and we trade on the OTC today. We're gonna trade here. As you remember, binary options brokers had nothing to do with the trades, and all the trades are carried out among the traders based on actual trades. So the market is under traders' control, right? The people controlling that, and all. It's also implies that we have the highest payout rate on this the currency pairs, around 90%, which is good for us, right? And while trading OTC, we should know that technical analysis, and we should always open with the trend. So today, OTC market, fully OTC market. Let's pick several indicators: fractal, zigzag, and the main one is gonna be the RSI. Let's figure out the trends on the currency pairs and set the period to 100 on the RSI. Let's determine the mood of the market, so we see both upward and downward trends, and basically I'm okay with them. Let's set the period to 30, and what concerns the overbought and oversold zones, we keep them as they are. Now we're gonna play out the local high and low. So let's get started. Let's analyze the currency pairs and find a better position entry, right? Okay. Well, look at this. No. That a massive pump here. Okay. The new local high seems to be forming. Let's open in the direction of the trend. I'll point out the workspace for you, of course. So here's the long position. Selecting workspace, as I said, we see that the price has a strong upward direction, and after this correction we can observe its upward zone playing out very well, and the price started going up from this level. Now we observed this huge upward momentum, which also took place before the correction. That's why we opened with the trend, and like I said in the beginning, we should open with the current trend while trading OTC. So that's why we opened the long position, guys, and there literally 20 seconds left before the closing. For now it's 17, and the breakout has already happened, and the price is skyrocketing to the upside. Okay, if we will analyze the chart, the trend has changed after hitting this level. So while we're talking, we're in the profits. Nice, the first position, our tradition is working. Okay, and let's choose another currency pair for trading. We're looking for the most optimal trade entry, and we're not gonna be rushing here. So our main indicators, the RSI, which gives us a signal. Setting are the most optimal for trading in flat, so neither upward or downward trends. And having analyzed the chart, I decided to use these settings. So yeah, let me just move a bit my monitor because I don't like this position Come on. Okay, let's open here a short position, guys. And again, we open with the trend. This is OTC market. Okay, and from this zone, support zone played out here, after which the price should continue going down following the trend. If we look at the RSI, the moving average is near level 50, and yeah, the support zone played out. Small pullback was there, level 50 right now. There was no crossing, which tells us that the strong downtrend dominates here. That's why we opened the short right here, guys. There are literally 15 seconds left before the closing, and we already see a nice breakout. Okay, 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8 seconds left. Okay, by the way, the candle has low volatility, which is good for us, and I'm totally fine with this movement, and we are in profits again. The second one, let's change the amount to $1,000 maximum value. Okay, and let's continue our analysis. Here, I guess we'd better open a long. Yes, let's open a long position here following the trend direction. Actually, it's not the best trade entry level. We're waiting for the exit. So, because we see that the RSI hasn't crossed level 70, then we observe the upward direction, and then this correction, after which the price should continue going up in the trend direction. Of course, that's the reason why we open long here. And here is the breakout, and in the meantime, we can observe this huge wick, Mr. Wick. And at first glance, the position entry level is not that good, but I was totally confident that I am the car. Okay, that the breakout is gonna happen, because after this huge correction, the price should go upwards in any case. That's why we opened the long, guys. So the local high has to be updated here, and there we go. Another position is in profits. Okay, there are more than $2,000 on the balance, and we started from 400 if I'm not mistaken, so we got a $2,000 in profit. Nice, and I'm not gonna stop here. Let's change the currency pair for the most profitable position entry, right? So let's continue, guys. Let's continue. Let's open here long positions. Well, we're late with the second one position. It's not worth the risk. I missed the timing for the double long, so we opened in the current trend direction. A clear upward dynamics, and if we look at the RSI, there is a gradual upward movement. The crossing of the level 70 hasn't happened yet. That's why we opened long following the current uptrend. And after this pullback, the local high has been formed here, and now the price should update it. That's why the price should go up. And we open the local long position here, right? So there are literally several seconds left. I mean 10 seconds left before the closing. We observe kind of low volatility on the market, and the position has been closed in the profits. Nice. $1,900 is our profit. I mean 920, right? To be clear. So we should have opened the double long, but I've missed the timing. Anyway, it's fine. Let's carry on trading session, and let's open the 3 long positions. Let's continue analyzing and find a favorable entry point. Don't rush it, analyze it, and first of all, I examine the RSI behaviors while switching currency pair, because its movements really matter, especially while trading the strategy, right? So let's have a look. Okay, we'd better to open 3 long positions here, short positions here. So look, we observe the downward direction of the trend and have a look at this zone on the RSI, which is the highest range considering these levels. And the price started going down. Yep, we see see a tiny correction here in the zone, but it's fine. Up to this pullback here, the local high has been updated here, and the price should continue going down, following the trend direction. That's why we opened our short position. And look at this breakdown, guys. I'm totally okay with that. And I'm happy with this result, guys. And we got a 6,000 in profit, I guess, if every position is 920. Let's see, because we're in profits right now. Okay, yes, 600, as I predicted. So the math is my strong side, my character. Okay, so no, let's continue. I thought about it finishing, but no. There's no final positions. Let's keep it going. I like the market's behavior, and why shouldn't we open a few more and make even more money, right? Money. Actually, I like this result, but still, why not? Let's change the concept and continue analyzing. Let's open $3,000 positions to not risk all balance, and let's open 3 long positions in the direction of the trend, of course, I guess. Right now, okay. We see positive dynamics on the every side right now. Actually, here is a small pullback, but it's okay. The updating of the local highs and lows has happened, and it's obvious that the price should heading upwards now, and the local high has to be updated. So we open with the current trend, guys, and we can already see the upward dynamics, the inception of the green candle, and the position should end up in profits at the end. So yeah, the breakout is imminent, and there's 15 seconds left, and I'm okay with the price movement. And I guess there will be $9,000 for now. And last positions is in profit, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it nice and good and clean and clear? Of course. So I'm good with the results. Let's finish here. No more risks. I don't want to take a risk, right? I'm happy with this outcome, and I hope you got the trading principle, guys. This is one of the strategies for the OTC market. Very useful. Try it on. You can use my signals too to try it on. Yeah.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments. I appreciate that. And of course, subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start. And 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.